How to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. First, it's important to note that there is no direct way to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. You will need to use a bank account. Start by withdrawing money from Zelle to your bank account, then link this bank account to your Cash App. To do this, open your Cash App, tap on the profile icon at the top right, scroll down, and select Linked Banks. You can either link a debit card by entering your debit card info or choose No Card at the bottom to see a list of supported banks. Select your bank, for example, Bank of America or Wells Fargo, click Continue, and follow the prompts to verify your identity and link the bank account. Once your bank account is linked to Cash App, you can withdraw money from Zelle to your bank account. In this example, withdraw money from Zelle to your Wells Fargo account, then deposit it into Cash App by going to the main page, tapping the bank icon at the bottom, selecting Add Money, and choosing the amount to add. Finally, select your linked bank account, and the money will be deposited into your Cash App. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.